We've been working with the homeless now with our nonprofit arm, the Get Together Foundation, for about 4 years. I read something in the paper that the coronavirus might really impact the homeless population. It really came to light that this might be a huge problem. We heard soap and water is particularly good for killing germs, actually better than antibacterial products. And here at Earthly Body, funny enough, we make soap. So we decided to put together something that is more of an elevated hand soap for the purpose of washing hands and killing germs.
We're also working with LAHSA, and they are actually going to be picking up a big shipment that we put together to distribute all over Los Angeles County.
We then proceed to various areas throughout the county, telling them, wash their hands regularly, and then it's on to the next location.
But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming down here and doing this, because it's scary,